Hi everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how to blur a clip on Kdenlive. So if you wanna blur a clip on Kdenlive, this is how you do it. So first, just select or just drag a clip on your timeline, and then go to effects. Just type in blur, and then just drag this average blur on your clip. Double click on it, click OK, and here you'll see that that X size and Y size. You just need to adjust this X size to blur your clip, and on the other hand, it's Y size. You can actually just adjust it to blur your clip, and that's how you blur a clip on Kdenlive. That's it for this video, and have a great day.